Welcome to session 4 of Unit 2 Resonance, Filters and Attenuators. My name is Sudayam, working as Selection Grade Lecturer, Government Polytechnic, Harihara. Okay. I am explaining the resonance topic. Okay. In session 4, we are going to learn the power factor of parallel resonance circuit, Q factor, bandwidth, characteristics of parallel resonance circuit, comparison between series resonance circuit and parallel resonance circuit, and some important points regarding this chapter topic and some multiple choice questions. Okay. Coming to power factor. Okay. Power factor, it is defined as the cosine of angle of lead or lag, or it is the ratio of resistance to impedance of the circuit. Okay, cos phi is equal to R by Z. At resonance, we are writing Z is equal to R. That is cos phi is equal to 1. Power factor of parallel resonance circuit, it is unity. Or power factor of parallel resonance circuit is 1. Okay. Next, quality factor. Q factor, it is defined as the ratio of current circulating between the two branches of parallel circuit to the line current. It is here in parallel resonance, it is current magnification, but in series resonance, it is voltage magnification. Here it is current magnification, I by IC. Okay, IC, that is current that is flowing through the capacitor branch, that is IC is equal to V by XC. XC we are writing 1 by omega C. Therefore IC is equal to omega C into V. I is equal to, we know that V by Z. Z is L by CR. That is V by L by CR. That is VCR by L. Substituting I and IC, we will get Q is equal to omega L by R, that is 2 pi FL by R. This is the quality factor, Q factor of the parallel resonant circuit. It is current magnification, or it is defined as the ratio of current circulating between the two branches of the parallel circuit to the line current. Next, coming to bandwidth. Okay, it can be defined as, that is bandwidth, it is similar to series resonance circuit. It can be defined as the band of frequency which lies between 2 points on either side of resonant frequency. In the diagram, the resonant frequency is FR. Resonant frequency is FR, and the lower cutoff frequency, that is lower frequency FL, upper frequency FH. The bandwidth, it is defined as, that is equal to FH minus FL. That is, it is defined as the band of frequency which lies between 2 points on either side of resonant frequency. That is, the bandwidth of a resonant frequency, it is defined as the difference between two frequencies where the current is down to 0.707 of its maximum value, that we are calling off power points. The upper and lower cutoff frequencies gives off power frequencies where the power dissipated at the resonant frequency give minus 3 dB points at a current value that is equal to 0.707 or 70.7% of its maximum resonant value. Okay. Bandwidth, it can also be given as F by Q. Okay. Next, characteristics of parallel resonant circuit. Okay. The first one is the circuit impedance is purely resistive because there is no frequency term in it. There is no frequency term in it. Therefore, the circuit impedance, we are calling it is resistive. Okay. The impedance Z, it will be very high, and because the ratio L by C is very large at parallel resonance. The susceptance in the total admittance in the network is 0. That susceptance, that is imaginary part, okay, that is 0. The value of circuit current I is equal to V by Z. It is very small because the value of Z is high. That is the in parallel resonance the frequency response is minimum. That means the value of current is minimum. Okay. The current flowing through the capacitor and the coil is much greater than the line current because the impedance of each branch is lower than that of circuit impedance, that is Z. Okay. The power factor is unity. Since the parallel resonance circuit can draw a very small current and power from the mains, it is also called as rejector circuit. This is one important point. That is, since the parallel resonance circuit can draw a very small current and power from the mains. Okay, therefore it is also called rejector circuit. Okay. Comparison between series resonance circuit and parallel resonance circuit. We have learned series resonance circuit and also parallel resonance circuit. Okay, series resonance circuit means resistor, inductor, capacitor are connected in series. Across the supply. Here in parallel resonance circuit, the inductor and capacitor are connected in parallel. Okay. Okay. While comparing, we are going to take the impedance at resonance. What is the impedance at resonance? That is, in series resonance circuit. The impedance is minimum. That Z is equal to R. But in parallel resonance circuit, the impedance is maximum. Z is equal to L by CR. This is called dynamic impedance. Next, current at resonance. In series resonance circuit, the current is maximum. That is, I is equal to V by R. In parallel resonance circuit, the current is minimum. That is, I is equal to V by L. That is, Z is replaced. That is L by CR. Resonant frequency. The resonant frequency of series resonant circuit FR is equal to 1 by 2 pi root 1 by LC. But in parallel resonant circuit, the resonant frequency is equal to 1 by 2 pi root 1 by LC minus R square by L square. That is next magnification. Here in series resonant circuit, voltage magnification is there. In parallel resonance circuit, current magnification is there. Next, it is known as, that is series resonance circuit, it is known as acceptor circuit. Parallel resonance circuit, it is known as rejector circuit. Next, coming to the power factor. The power factor in series resonance circuit is unity, and also in parallel resonance circuit, that is also unity. Both the circuits are having unity power factor. These are some points we are taking to compare series and parallel resonant circuits. Okay, that is, in this chapter we have learned resonance. What are the types of resonance? Types of resonance are series resonance and parallel resonance. In these resonance circuits, we have learned resonant frequency, Q factor, power factor, impedance and bandwidth. Okay. Next we are going to learn some of the problems on resonance circuit. Next, coming to multiple choice questions in this session. That is, current magnification occurs in series resonance, parallel resonance both series and parallel resonance, none of the above. That is, current magnification occurs in parallel resonance. B is the answer. The following is same in both series and parallel resonant circuit. Current, impedance, both A and B, power factor, which is same in both series and parallel resonant circuit. Power factor is same both in both series and parallel circuit. That is, power factor is 1, unity power factor. Next, the power factor of parallel resonant circuit. It can be given by cosine of angle lead, cosine of angle lag, sine of angle lead or lag, cosine of angle lead or lag. That is, the answer is cosine of angle lead or lag. That is cos phi. That is, the answer is D. The bandwidth of parallel resonant circuit is Fh minus Fl, Fl minus Fh, Fh divided by Fl, Fh by Fl. The answer is bandwidth. It is the answer is A. That is Fh minus Fl. Power factor of parallel resonant circuit. Power factor of parallel resonant circuit. It is A, option A, cos phi, B, R by Z, C, both A and B, D, none of the above. See the power factor, it is defined as cosine of angle of lead or lag, that is cos phi. It is also defined as the ratio of resistance to impedance of the circuit. Resistance to impedance of the circuit. Therefore, the answer is C, both A and B. Bandwidth increase as quality factor increases, decreases, becomes infinite, none of the above. That is, bandwidth is equal to F by Q. Bandwidth is equal to F by Q. Therefore, when quality factor increases, bandwidth decreases. When quality factor decreases, bandwidth increases. Here, bandwidth increase as quality factor decreases. Answer is B. The resonant frequency of parallel resonant circuit is Fr is equal to 1 by 2 pi root 1 by LC. Fr is equal to 1 by 2 pi root 1 by LC minus R square by L square. Fr is equal to 1 by pi root 1 by LC minus R square by L square. Fr is equal to 1 by 2 root 1 by LC. The answer is B. That is, Fr is equal to 1 by 2 pi root 1 by LC minus R square by L square. The quality factor is A, IC by I, B, omega L by R, C, both A and B, D, L by R. That is the quality factor, Q factor. It is, the answer is both A and B. It is IC by I also, omega L by R also. Therefore, it is both A and B. A parallel resonant circuit can be employed as a high impedance to reject small band of frequencies, to amplify certain frequencies, okay, both A and B. Here, the answer is D, both A and B, because parallel resonant circuit, it is having high impedance, that is maximum impedance, and it is also used to reject small band of frequencies. Okay, therefore the answer is D, both A and B. Okay, in series and parallel resonant circuit, increase in resistance would cause, okay, option A, increase in bandwidth of both the circuits. B. Decrease in bandwidth of both the circuits. C. Decrease in bandwidth in series circuit and increase in bandwidth in parallel circuit. D. Increase in bandwidth in series circuit and decrease in bandwidth in parallel circuit. The answer is, okay, increase in bandwidth in both the circuits. That is, in series and parallel resonant circuit, increase in resistance value would cause increase in bandwidth of both the circuits. Okay. Some questions regarding this topic are: define Q factor, bandwidth in parallel resonant circuit, define power factor in parallel resonant circuit, compare series and parallel resonant circuit. That is, again, compare acceptor circuit and rejector circuit. These are some of the reference books I referred. Thank you.